Alright, this is the start of the demo of the Waco Marketing Coop CRM. Let me start with the list of softwares this platform can easily replace. I had a chance to create this file by checking the pricing of the software that's being replaced with the Waco Marketing Coop CRM. It unites email marketing, SMS marketing, it has voicemail drops, contact management with pipeline functionality, something that you can typically get from Pipedrive. There are review requests for Waco businesses. You can manage their Google My Business profile from there. Also, there are ClickFunnels like Funnel Builder. Actually, you can import steps from ClickFunnels and even more actually. So let me start from somewhere. Just CallRail, it records the calls as well. Let me start with the website builder, which is a bit different than the funnel builder, but it's how I built my agency, my marketing services company website. So the implementation I have, the way I use it the most in this period of the year is I serve financial consultants and I offer them an easy way to to reactivate their database with past clients, actually not existing but past sleeping clients. And this was not the current homepage, it's this one. I need to click here. So here it is. I call this product low-hanging appointments, particularly about the financial advisors, and I'm using a calculator to help them calculate how much they'll be earning based on the number of contacts they already have. And now this is the platform itself, starting with the dashboard. Let me switch to this one first. You can check some graphics based on what you have in the pipeline. You can customize this pipeline. It's available in the Opportunities tab. Then when you run a campaign and when people reply back, you have conversations. When it's about serving a client, you give limited access so people can reply back themselves. Actually, you can automate the stuff here at a certain extent. But yeah, for example, you can ask them to reply back with a certain keyword and then they will get a second text message. You can have a calendar inserted there as well. However, the point is that not everybody will reply with the keywords you ask them to. Some people might have questions. Let me show you this. It's a real campaign that was run recently. So this woman is asking, would Friday work? I'm working from home and can be flexible on time. So in this case, you would either send copy and paste this DM the client, or if he has access, he can reply back, call back. And this campaign was called database reactivation yearly maintenance for tank water heaters. They would get an SMS and we would say just reply one word 20 off to get scheduled, and the same message would go to email. Then within the triggers section we can see that everybody who replies with 20 off is being added to a campaign called Dear Nurture. And if we check this campaign, we will see the following. They get an automated message. Excellent, when would be a convenient time to come in? And you can also add a whisper message and you know, an AI call that our client gets. Let's check what the whisper message is. Hey Vlad, yearly maintenance lead. Press any key to connect. And he gets this call 3 minutes after they reply. So he has a chance to get back to them within 5 minutes after their submission. Alright, what's next? Here people can import all their contacts. Actually, it's from contacts, smart lists. They can import their contacts from other softwares and manage them. If we want to add something more, maybe it's worth showing you this one as well. We can add it here, add events, and this is what we have. We can connect Messenger, we can connect calls, email, SMS, voicemail as well. You can actually do voicemail drops campaigns, especially for local businesses. This one is dope. Alright, what I want to show next is that you can actually integrate Facebook lead ads here and see all their submissions in the conversations tab. It's a very smart way to run a campaign like this through the software, through the platform. Next, there are any type of form builders, survey builders. I haven't had the chance to use everything, but it's a robust platform, as you can see. Uniting all these functionalities you can get for much more, actually. Here's another list that shows I didn't put everything because, for example, Google Sheets is for free. Alright, getting back here. So if a local business wants to check in a client, you just enter the name, enter the email, and the client gets a review invite. The triggers are key. You can design any type of automated submission. You can compose. You can you can notify yourself every time someone submits a web form on your website. Let's check something here. This one is called a web submission, and everyone who every time a form is submitted, the client can get an SMS message, a new web form inquiry from VON water heaters form, his name, his contact phone, but also let's check, there is a marketing campaign for this, and it's called a website submission, this one. So the one who filled in the opt-in form or the web form gets an email and an SMS message. On top of that, our clients get a call. Hey Vlad, you have a new lead named his name. Press 1 and we will connect you. And you can exclude, you can avoid getting these calls over the weekends because it won't make sense calling them if it's Sunday, let's say. So it's a quick overview. There are specific details with each functionality, and Of course, there's a learning curve. I'm here to help. I'm planning to start sending like 30-day trials to agency owners. So if you want access, if you want to schedule a call, and we can probably build a campaign live and run it, make some free trial so you see how it works. Yeah, and that would be something smart to do as well. So I think I showed a lot of the things. I didn't cover absolutely everything, but at least you had the chance to see how things are integrated here. You don't need to jump from software to software. You can use Zapier as well, but for many of the things you don't even need Zapier. So costs are being cut, efficiency is raised, and it's a very productive way to run a marketing agency. So I am willing to discuss strategic partnerships with everyone interested to offer this to his inner circle. If you know more marketing agency owners, or if you have a list of local business owners who might be benefiting from using this platform and as a self-service subscription, and teaching is provided on our site as well. Yeah, we can run a campaign, and that could be a smart type of a JV partnership, profitable for both sides. We can discuss pricing. Just get back to me, and we'll schedule another call. It will be really, really smart thing to do, in my opinion. And yeah, this is it. This is the platform. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.